Did you know ChatGPT is now smart enough to remember your preferences and use them to improve your web searches? That's right. OpenAI just rolled out a game-changing feature that makes your AI assistant more personal than ever before. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below with what you'd like ChatGPT to remember about you. OpenAI recently announced a major update called Memory with Search. This new feature allows ChatGPT to tap into memories from your past conversations, like your favorite foods, your dietary preferences, or even your location, when helping you search the web. Let's break down what this really means. Previously, ChatGPT could remember certain things about you, like your name or writing style, but now it can combine that memory with live web results. For example, if ChatGPT knows from previous chats that you're vegan and based in San Francisco, and you ask it to find restaurants you might like, it will automatically tailor your search. Instead of running a generic query, it transforms your request into something like, "Good vegan restaurants, San Francisco." That makes the results way more accurate and actually relevant to you. This memory-powered search feature is part of a broader push by OpenAI to stay ahead in the chatbot race. Competitors like Anthropic's Claude and Google's Gemini have launched their own memory capabilities. But OpenAI is aiming to go a step further by integrating memory with real-time web functionality. Here's another important detail. OpenAI only recently enhanced ChatGPT's memory to access your entire chat history, not just fragments from individual sessions. So now, it's not just remembering isolated facts. It's building a more complete picture of who you are, which can be used across interactions. If that sounds a little too personal for your taste, don't worry. OpenAI says users can turn off this feature entirely by disabling memory in their ChatGPT settings. So you're still in full control of what ChatGPT remembers and what it doesn't. As of now, it's not clear how widely the Memory with Search feature has been rolled out. Some users reported seeing it earlier this week, but OpenAI hasn't officially confirmed who has access yet. It's likely being gradually introduced, so if you don't see it in your account yet, hang tight. It could be coming soon. To wrap it up, Memory with Search represents a big leap forward in making AI assistants not just smarter, but more context-aware and helpful. It's about transforming generic responses into something more tailored, more useful, and more human-like. Want to stay ahead of the curve with the latest in AI tools and updates? Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more updates like this, and share your thoughts in the comments. And if you're curious about how AI is reshaping business and personal productivity, check out the related video popping up in the corner right now. It's one you won't want to miss.